Hello, hello. Welcome to my class again. Okay, today is Friday, 16th October 2020. Topic Jingle Christmas Adventure. Performance read pages 18 and 19. And please you write the pedagogical word. You stop the video here and we start. Okay. Vocabulary. In this lesson, we separate the question, okay? The question that have in your text. Who are you? Who are you? ¿Quién es usted? Who are you? And this is probably, if you like, the picture. One person thinking, who are you? ¿Quién eres? Who are you? This is other good idea. Who are you? Who are you? Okay, continue. Please small picture in front of the words, okay? The other is, what is your name? What is your name? I put here and move. What is your name? This is the second. What is your name? Okay? What is your name? And go to the picture. Look that. This. What is your name? Okay, continue. Are you an elf? Are you an elf? And the picture is that. Like this or in cartoons. Like this. This is easy to draw. An elf. This, I like that. Are you an elf? Okay, continue with the other question. And finally, this is, what are you selling matchsticks? Is that? Okay, why, ¿por qué? ¿Por qué está usted vendiendo? Okay, fotos. Like this, I do here. Like this. It's a similar picture, okay? With this. Okay, you create your own picture. Okay, and now, please, we start to wash the pages. Okay, and now you read this alone. Yo les voy a compartir el audio y ustedes lo leen solitos. Ok. Aquí dice jingles, ok. Okay. This is the activity for today. Bye. Remember that I asked you about that.